Hello, welcome to the Office of Religious Education brief tutorial that should help you get set up so that you can view online your religious education certification profile. So, first go ahead and open up an internet browser, whichever one you're most comfortable with. I am using Google Chrome, so here I am on Google. I'm going to go up to the address bar and I'm going to type in www.schoolfiles.com. So there I have it, www.schoolfiles.com, and then I'm going to hit enter. So as you can see, it's brought us to the SchoolFiles main page. At this point, you need to set up a profile. Once you've finished all of these initial steps, and on future visits when you've navigated to schoolfiles.com and you want to get into the system, you of course would just go up to the login button and do that. But first, the very first thing we need to do is to set up a SchoolFiles profile. So we go here and navigate to set up a profile and click this. And now you're going to follow along here and enter the information just like you would if you were signing up on any other site like Amazon or anything else. So you're going to put your first name. I'm going to use Joan of Arc here for us, for our example. So Joan, and then I'm going to type in Arc as my last name here. Now I'm going to type in my email. Now, whatever email you're most comfortable with, you can type in here. It does not have to be the one that is on your religious education profile. It can be whatever email you like, but you will need to remember this because your email will be kind of like your username for logging into the system each time. So we're going to go ahead and write the email that I have, jarc@, and I'm going to use Yahoo. And if yours is, say, AT&T.net, you would need to go in here and click net, but you can choose whichever ending is one that's appropriate for your email. So I'm going to use .com for yahoo.com, so I've written that in there. Now you're going to create a password for your profile, so each time you come to SchoolFiles and you log in, create something that's easy for you to remember. So for me, just for fun, I'll create a password. Okay, and now it's going to ask me what city I was born in. So you can type in the city that you were born in, and now we will type in the elementary school. Then we're going to type in our favorite food. Okay, so now we have it. And these security questions are in the case that if you forget your password, you can click the help button or the forgot password button, and then it can help you retrieve that password. So now that we've entered in our first name, last name, email, password, and answers to security questions, we can hit the continue button. So now here we are. We've gotten to the point where we've set up the SchoolFiles profile. Now the next step is to navigate to this box over here where it says link your SchoolFiles user profile to your religious education profile for the Archdiocese of New Orleans. So click this here, and now it's going to ask you for your religious education certification profile number. Now this is a number that you should be able to receive from the parish catechetical leader or your school catechetical leader, the person that kind of has the ability to view all of the profiles for your school or parish. If for some reason you cannot contact that individual, you can always call the Office of Religious Education and speak with Diane Condiff-Higgins, and she would be more than happy to assist you with that. Now for me, for Joan of Arc, I know what the profile number is, so I'm going to put that into the system, and now I'm going to put my last name, which as you know I put as Joan of Arc. So now that I've done this, I'm going to click continue, and it says we have found your religious certification profile. That is always good news. So now it tells us to click the continue below. So we're going to click continue, and now you see this tab has now, this little rectangle has now appeared here, and that is how we enter the system. So we're going to click on this, And now you see it says View My Profile, as well as upcoming religious ed courses. Now, if you wanted to sign up for any of these, you could just click on one and then follow the directions for signing up. But here, now that we're in the system, we click View My Profile and see, there I am, Joan O. Arc. And it provides some of the basic information for me. I can go to the middle tab here, and I see religious certifications, and I can click, and I need to get started. I don't have any certification courses completed yet, but in the future, Joan of Arc should hopefully be certified. So again, this is how you navigate through the system, setting up your SchoolFiles profile, and then linking it to your religious ed profile. Now, if you have never taken a course before, there would be a need for the school or parish catechetical leader to set up a profile for you, or once again, you could contact the Office of Religious Education at 504-861-6270, and we would be happy to get you set up with that. I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. Again, if you have questions, do not hesitate to give us a call or email at any time. All right, thanks so much, and good luck getting certified. We look forward to ministering with you in service to God's people. God bless you. Have a great day.